Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Tricks tutorial, and today we're going to show you how to make universe in Infinite Craft. This is a very easy way. All you have to do is follow step by step. So firstly, we're gonna start with earth, and then add wind. So we got dust. Now we add earth to have planet. We add fire to get sun. Put it aside. Now we have planet. Add to the sun to have solar system. Add solar system again to have galaxy. Add galaxy again. Now we have black hole. Add galaxy again. Now we have universe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching.